What is up, Web3 crew? Krista 2 Moons right here. Token2049 Medina Jumeirah, and I am with the founder of Yap Global's Samantha. How are you today?
I'm doing really well. I'm very excited to be here.
How's Token2049?
Honestly, I'm so impressed. All the stages are fully packed and there's just so much traction. I mean, you can just look over here behind us. There's just so much activity. I'm really impressed. It is also my first time to Dubai, so I honestly didn't have any expectations, so I've been blown away.
First time in Dubai. So how's Dubai?
Dubai is incredible. All the places that I've been to look super flashy. I mean, I was very impressed. I went to the Atlantis Royale, and there was like an aquarium in the lobby. Like, that's not normal. I don't see anything like that anywhere in the world.
Samantha, can you please give us a bit background about yourself and what were you doing before Yap Global?
I'm Samantha. I'm the founder of Yap Global. We are a Web3 and crypto PR agency. I've been doing this for 7 years, basically telling the crypto story, but really the story of the future of money, because the way I got into this industry was through just being fascinated by what Bitcoin can do for the future of money. And so, yeah, my team, quite simply, we tell stories and we build trust. Trust and credibility is often hard to find in our industry, and so that's what our team focuses on.
What is Yap Global and what does it do to the community?
Yeah, so Yap Global is a PR and communications agency. It happens to also be my last name, but Yap, I like to say, stands for Your Angle Presented Globally. We work with projects like Arbitrum and Coinbase and Animoca brands, and so just by representing the leaders in this industry, we basically help educate people about the industry.
And what makes Yap Global stand out from all the companies?
I think in PR, my background's in journalism, and we hire a range of communications and journalist professionals. So we really think about the story of crypto and the story of money like journalists do. And so the way we approach our communications is with editorial integrity, and in terms of storytelling, we really look to help our clients capitalize on trends and on what's happening in the mainstream media. I mean, people are looking at crypto now in a more macroeconomic view, right? Because you have the U.S. president being quite pro crypto, and what implications does that have for the world? So that's kind of how we approach telling the story.
What would you think will be the future impact of Yap Global in this society?
I think really, back to what I said, we tell stories and build trust, but really it is educating people about the story of money and where it's heading today. You hear about the adoption of Bitcoin and how it's increasingly growing, and I think right now there's still a lot of education that needs to happen, and communications are required to do that. So it's bridging the communication gap on crypto.
And what's next for Yap Global? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
In the crypto industry, we are peer partners with major events. We're going to be the peer partners of an event in Cannes with ECC. But more broadly, I have to say, and we're here in Dubai, I'm seeing so much activity of Web3 companies coming to the UAE that actually I'm now considering we probably need to set up an office here. So I am looking to consider growing a hub here, because it's clear that the UAE, Dubai and Abu Dhabi are attracting the world's top Web3 talents.
Thank you so much, Samantha. And what's next for Yap Global?
What's next is we will be heading to Cannes for a conference, and we'll be going to other global industry conferences, but we're also looking to grow. So we have a team in London, New York and Singapore. So we're a global team, but now, as I said, I'm looking at the UAE.
Last question, what do you think is the future of money?
So the future of money is going to be trustworthy. It's going to be, I think, basically, of course, we're here. The future of money is going to have Bitcoin in people's wallets or their possession, and it's going to become even more common.
Now invite our viewers to check out Yap Global as well.
Yes, so you can check out Yap Global at yapglobal.com. You can also follow me on X. My X ID is Samantha W. Yap.
And now describe Token2049 in 3 words. Let's go.
Crazy, impressive, star-studded.
Thank you, Samantha. I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is me, Krista 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.